Imagine like I throw up or some shit. That'd be crazy.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo. Yo.
What's up, bitch ass niggas? It's your boy 302 Keys, aka Not Your Average Keys, and I'm here with Bucket Boys. Say what's up, man. Let them know who you are.
What's up? What's up?
And then we got Ben in the back, but
Damn. I need a brush so don't rub my hair.
nobody cares, bro. You don't get no bitches.
You're right.
But we about to try the spiciest gummy bear in the world. When we got water, but I'm gonna try not to drink the water, obviously. But we about to try this, John, and we about to let y'all know how it goes. Slow down, my nigga.
Nigga, I'm just smelling this bitch.
The product is extremely spicy and has potential to cause skin and mouth irritation. A little nitro.
You're wildin', bro.
It's intended for adults only and should be kept up. Consume at your own risk. But we're gonna see if this gonna hot. We're gonna see if this gonna be hot, y'all. And I'll say I got a little calm blog for y'all.
We want you to make the best little nitro video on the internet. Post your hashtag with nitro.
It don't even look that hot for real. It can't be. It's too little.
Yeah, but I don't think it's that hot.
I don't think it's that hot, bro. To be real with you. But we're gonna see if this is hot, y'all. You know what I'm saying? You ready, bro?
Yeah.
Imagine like I throw up or some shit. That'd be crazy.
Are you ready, bro?
I'm ready for whatever.
Alright, bro, pause, bro. You on some gay shit, yo.
3, 2, 1.
That bitch hard as shit to chew.
Man, you're looking hard as fuck.
Oh shit, this shit is hot. This shit is hot as fuck. Nothing that hot. It's hot as fuck.
It's nothing to me.
What the fuck? Fuck this. This shit hurt. This shit hurt. This nigga crying. Yo, I might go up. Hey, yo, Kima, fuck you.
Straight, bro.
Oh, this shit hot. Oh.
This shit's hot, bro.
Oh. Fuck you.
I can feel it in my stomach.
Damn. Oh. You just threw that up. Oh, that's nasty.
Fuck.
Yo. I'm not taking that shit.
Bro, that shit hurts.
God.
That shit hurts.
Bro, you should have got some milk.
Fuck, that shit hurts, bro.
It's in my stomach.
Niggas not even drinking the water there. God, man. You good, bro?
Don't try this shit.
Oh. I'm gonna fuck you. Oh, this shit burn.
Yo, oh, go over that way, bro. Oh! Oh my God. Oh my God. Yo! Yo! Bro. Oh my God. But she was about to come and eat that shit. Oh, bro. Yo.
Bro, I might need to go to the hospital. I swear to God, bro, I might need to go now. Yeah, bro. What you got going? Go to
Move on that side. Wait, I'm gonna stop the video.
The aftermath. Got throw up on my shoes and shit. Got throw up everywhere. Bro's not feeling too good. I think this was meant like to eat. I don't think it's good for your body. Like all the other spicy shit I tasted, it was hot in your mouth. This shit went straight to my stomach and started fucking it up. And as soon as I threw, like my stomach was burning and hurting, then I threw up and I felt better. But we not doing too well, so bro said he don't feel good. We might have to take him to the hospital, but why did the birds eat his throw up? Like, yo, what the fuck? The birds eat his throw up. Yo, that is nasty as shit.
The water, bro.
We got the ambulance here, bro, man. Hoping bro feel better. He told me to record this, but yeah. Damn. Yeah, I don't know. To help our mans, but they not even doing nothing.
So yeah, I mean the most we can do is when you got to go to the hospital.
Why the hospital niggas pull up to help my bro? He throwing up and he in pain. These niggas just sitting there talking about, hey, you alright? Like, what the fuck, bro? They supposed to be helping him. This nigga's in pain, bro. They not doing shit, bro. It was like we pulled up. Like, yo, how you feeling?
Ambulance did nothing. They came and asked the same questions we was asking this nigga. Talking about, are you okay? And start taking pictures of the box. And Googling and stuff. Like,
tell me why. He was like, do you want us to take him to the hospital? Why the fuck would we call y'all niggas? He said, well, we're only going to take him if you want us to take him. Or he wants to go.
yeah. But I think it's some with the age.
Like, yeah, we just called y'all niggas for fun. For a fucking prank. For a YouTube video. No, nigga. He actually in pain, nigga. The fuck?